Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Maureen. As you can tell by the title of today's video, I'm doing a first impression slash kind of tutorial review on using the Dyson Airstrait, which I just recently picked up. If there's any portion of this video that you kind of want to skip around to see my first impressions, thoughts, how I use it, etc., that will all be linked down below in the timestamps, so feel free to skip around as you like. Talk about why I purchased the product to begin with. I've always wanted to try the Dyson products for their hair. I've never had a Dyson hair product before, and I was really interested in this one. So particularly, I just wanted to start minimizing heat on my hair. I have naturally waving hair, but I like to wear it straight a lot of the time. So sometimes that will mean blow drying and then straightening my hair, which I don't necessarily want to do that. It's nice to have a tool that does that all in one. So I got this on Amazon for the Black Friday sale. So it's originally $499, which kind of kept me away for a little while because I didn't know if I would like it or not, but I've heard good things. So when it went down to $399, that's when I picked this up. Next, I wanted to talk about what comes with that price tag. So you're getting this product right here. And yes, you do have to plug it in. I'm pulling that up for you guys. So plug into your wall. I'll show you guys the case as well that it comes with and everything else that comes with it. Next, it comes with a really nice case. So I'll show you guys what that looks like. Since I got this strawberry pink color, I think it's what it's called. This is the case that it comes in. And then kind of show you what it looks like inside. There's also kind of where it separates the plug and things like that for the outlet, and then where you place the actual product. It also came with this rubber mat, so that's nice where you can put down the hot tool on your counter and you don't have to worry about anything, which I thought was a nice touch for Dyson. The product also comes with this little packet, so it does include kind of how to start using the product, which is really nice. And then the app for Dyson, and then it also has like the GFCI like warnings and things like that for the product. So next we'll just talk about some of the features that you have with the Airstrait. I know we're very zoomed in right now, but that is so that you can see the products a little bit better. So first, you'll see this button here, this blue one. So this, when it's pushed up, keeps the product together, and then you press it downwards, it opens. Then you have your power button. You'll also see settings. You'll see like a little cooling feature. This is like the little fan here. And then here's where you can mess with the different heat settings. So I also have like a tutorial portion that while I'm talking, you'll be able to see how I use this product. So first, what they recommend once you turn it on, this will have like a self-cleaning feature, so you'll kind of hear it for a few seconds. There's also where you will take off for the filter to clean that out after several uses. You'll pick your language, etc. So Dyson recommends that when you're using this product, you start at the root. So you'll hold it together and then you will start to kind of blow dry your roots. So they recommend to do that first. Then next you'll do the passes through your hair, which is really cool. It's also cool that it has like an auto pause. So after you've like stopped using it for a few seconds, it does pause. But once again, you hold it together, you pull down on the hair, then you release at the bottom. You'll notice that the fan power is a little bit lower once you release, and then once you press down and clamp again, you'll hear more of that power again. So that difference that I was talking about with the mode there is called the idle mode. So that's when it slows down at the end of a pass, and then it does that auto pause. Product just like stops. Overall, I really like this product and I'm glad I purchased it. It does feel like it is worth the price for me. I noticed for me personally, it takes me a while to dry my hair. Sometimes when I do blow dry my hair because of the length, and I actually have a lot of hair, it's pretty thick, and the texture of my hair, it can take about 30 minutes typically for me to blow dry my hair, but this took me about 15. So depending on your hair type, you might see a difference in your dry time, which I really loved, and using less heat on my hair. Overall, I'm really excited to keep using this. First impressions, like I said, really like it. I think in the future, because of my hair texture, I'm gonna spend a little bit more time at the root. I don't really think that's the product's fault. That could be just operator error. So me, or just in general, a lot of products in general, I have to be really vigilant about getting at my root because I do have that wave in my hair. And I also live in Florida, so I have been outside since then. So with that humidity, that's pretty natural for me to have a little bit of wave at the root, but I wouldn't say that's a knock at the product. Overall, really enjoy it, and I think it held really well. I noticed for me, since I do have that wavy hair, I don't notice any frizz or anything. I just products that I would normally use on my hair for when I blow dry my hair. So I'll link those products down below as well if that's something that you're interested in. And overall, I don't notice like any frizz or anything, which is really nice. So that's great for this product. It works really well, and especially for someone, like I said, with naturally wavy hair living in a humid climate. So that's just something to keep in mind. But yes, I really like this product. I can't wait to keep using it in the future and minimizing heat on my hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little review. Please like this video, comment down below if you've bought this product or if you have any of the other Dyson products. I'm kind of curious to try those out. And make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my content. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.